Hello and welcome. Welcome to Soraya's channel. I'm Sarita. I'll be kind of going over just herbs and different tinctures that I make, ways I'm trying to heal my husband, me, and my family. So if you're interested in my journey, me learning, and also trying to show you what I already know, feel free to stick around. First and foremost, I just want to give honor to and praises to the Most High. Have to start everything off with that because without him, it would not be me. This here is going to be a quick little video. A couple of tinctures and oils that I mentioned that I'm currently infusing and waiting to get ready. I have a few more things that I plan on putting together, but haven't done those just yet. So real quick, I just happened to pull these out the cabinet because I remembered I needed to shake them up. They've been sitting for about a week now. So I just wanted to give them a good little shake. Starting with the one that's probably gonna take a while to get going. This is gonna be the ashwagandha and the Tulsi that I put together. I used a powder form of ashwagandha, so we're gonna see how that does. It looks like it's doing just fine. I don't see any problems. It may separate. I should have showed you before I shook it, but it was kind of separated a little bit. It hadn't clogged or anything. I was thinking the powder would clog up with the liquid, but it didn't do that. So hey, just shook it up and it's still liquid form. So we're gonna keep on shaking that thing and making sure that we get a good infusion. But again, this is my Tulsi and my ashwagandha. I'm very excited about this one. This one's gonna help calm like nerves and help with anxiety and stuff like that. There's a ton of other benefits. So this one here is gonna be ready the first week of December. I just kind of made this one, so can't wait to see. This one, like I said, I made especially for my mother to help her out with her anxiety, but me and my husband will also be taking this as well to see what it do because we have our bouts here and there. And this one is my Calendula rose oil. This one I infused with sweet almond oil. Can't wait for it to get ready because this is for my skin since I've been having the dry face. Most likely I will probably be adding this to a body butter because I want to use it all over, but I'll keep a little small something just for my skin to help out with that dryness I got going on. Now I know this isn't a moisturizer. This will definitely be what I put on after I moisturize. And I do have some aloe vera pops that are in the freezer currently. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all my aloe vera pops. This is a cheap little deal that I bought off of Amazon. I think I probably paid $5 for it. It's just for me, just some aloe vera pops that I am using currently. So I took some aloe vera, I grated some ginger, and you know, I got it really fine. And a little bit of spring water, and I blended it all together, put them in this popsicle thing with some cranberries just for aesthetics, and take it and I'm gonna rub it all over my face for some little aloe vera moisture and help out with, again, my dry skin, and we shall see what this does. So but yeah, this one I can't wait for because I just been experiencing dry skin here recently, and it's about to get cold, so my skin ain't gonna do nothing but get more dry. So I need this one. This is gonna be ready around Thanksgiving, around that week. So I'm really excited. Can't wait to strain these. I cannot wait. I already got my little bottles I've been stacking up on, and if anybody know me, they know I love mason jars, so send me the mason jars, baby. And if I give you something in a mason jar, you can't have no more until you bring my mason jar back and I'll refill it, or you just bring it back to me. Anyway, I know that's crazy, but this is for family. I'm not selling this stuff. If I was selling it, it'd be a different story. Last but not least, this is my Fire Cider. And this one is almost done. This one, I have a bunch of stuff going on in here. I have herbs from my garden at the bottom. Got a bunch of mint and rosemary. What else I have in there? Oregano. What other herbs did I use? My Tulsi that I have out there. Rosemary. Oh, chives. I cut some chives. put all that as the herbs down at the bottom, and then I added some ginger, garlic, turmeric, black pepper to activate the turmeric. I got some lemons, oranges, limes. I have jalapeno peppers. I have some serrano peppers from my garden. I also used some of my hot wax peppers from my garden. These actually, I just picked them, but they're in there as well. I'm actually gonna make a pepper sauce, but I digress. Let's get back onto this fire cider. We'll talk about that in a second. Also, I have some cranberries. The only thing that I was unable to put in my fire cider this time was horseradish, unfortunately. I went to 6 different stores and I couldn't find it nowhere. I really need to figure out when horseradish is in season, because I'm sure that's what the issue was, why nobody had it. Everybody was like, oh, we don't have it anywhere out right now. So I know they keep it, they just didn't have it. Anyway, I'll make sure we have horseradish on hand for the next time I make this. And then I might also get a little, you know, instead of using cranberries. No, I was gonna say use elderberries, but elderberries, they have to have some stuff cooked off before you can just ingest them. Anyway, I'm gonna play around with this next year and we'll see. I'll have some updates on that. But yeah, this one is almost ready to be strained. I believe in a couple more weeks, I'll be ready to put this in a little tincture, and then me and my husband will take a shot of it every week, maybe every 2 weeks, just depending on how we feel. Depending on how much we make too, because I also have plans to give some to my sister. She wants a nice little amount of it. So that's what I have that is infusing at this moment. So as far as my peppers, like I said, I just picked a bunch of them. I have a ton left out there. I got a second growth season of peppers this fall. I guess when the temperatures kind of cooled off here in Texas, they popped off again. I'm gonna make a hot pepper sauce, the southern little hot pepper sauce. You know, the stuff with the green peppers and vinegar, and you shake it on your greens or your cabbage or something like that. Gonna make some of that. Excited about it. I just got to give me some distilled vinegar. I never have distilled vinegar. I just have a bunch of what is it, apple cider vinegar. Got a ton of that, but I don't want to make the hot pepper sauce with that. So anyway, what else do we have in the makings? Oh, my hair oil that I plan on making. I already have the fenugreek, and I have the rosemary that I'm gonna put in there. The only thing that I need to get is peppermint. I never buy peppermint herbs or spearmint and stuff like that, because I'm always like, I make teas a lot, and I'm like, I got mint in the garden, so I'm not gonna buy mint. But now I kind of need it because I want it for my hair oil, so I need to get me some peppermint. Lastly, I need to figure out what type of carrier oil I want to use. My hair loves coconut oil, but it tends to clog pores. I don't want to make my oil out of that. I don't want to use sweet almond oil. It's very lightweight, but it doesn't do much for my hair. My hair doesn't care for it. My hair, when it was a loose natural, liked olive oil a ton, but my skin doesn't like olive oil, so too much of it, and I break out around my ears. So, and I know there's other carrier oils that you can use, but I really don't want to experiment too much. I mean, I've been natural for over 12 years at this point. I've been locked for 3 years. So I kind of know what I need to put on my hair and what I don't need to put on my hair, and I'm not really going to start playing around with other oils at this time because I know what I like. I'm just probably going to make some type of blend or something, maybe a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of coconut oil, and finish it off with the lighter oil, the sweet almond. I know my hair can deal with that. I know my skin can probably deal with that. So anyway, with that being said, that's what I plan on making my hair oil with. Can't wait to do that one. That one I'm probably going to infuse on the stove because I'm ready to get that on and popping. It's about to get cold, and I need some protection on these ends. It's already starting to sound a little crunchy just from these few cold days that we've had. So anyway, I hope that some of this was informative to you. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. I have more to come, more to get out here in my garden so you can see what I have going on out there, especially before it gets cold, because I'm not planting a fall garden. I'm just going to kind of stick with the spring and the summer. I got a leaf miner issue out here, and if I plant a bunch of leafy greens and got a bunch of leaf miners, I just feel like it's gonna be a headache, and I'm not in the mood to deal with that. So anyway, like I said, thank you for watching. If you like what you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed evening.